Look, this is paper mill waste. Within just 10 minutes, the waste will become SRF fuel. How we made it? As you know, there are plastics and metal in the waste. The rest is mainly wood fiber, which is difficult to recycle. A 1.5 million ton capacity paper mill will generate 180,000 tons of waste. It is costly to process this waste. Harden Machinery built a complete line for a Chinese paper mill to produce SRF from paper mill waste. The waste is fed into a two-shaft shredder. Output flakes become 80 mm in size. Then a 4-shaft secondary shredder to shred the material into 30 mm. Magnet, air shifter, and disc screen further separate the material and get SRF. The calorie value of this SRF is close to that of coal. It is an alternative fuel. Helps you to reduce carbon footprint. Fossil fuel power plants and cement kiln will buy it as a replacement to coal.